welcome back to my channel and welcome into my home. Today, you guys, I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by one of my sisters, that is the daughter of Destiny, and a YouTube sister friend here of mine on this platform. Now, today is her birthday. And instead of asking us to do a virtual birthday party for her, she has asked that we celebrate others by sharing or showing love, to let that person know that we love your style, we like your style. So there are two ladies that I will be showing that type of love to, but there are plenty of you here on this platform that have inspired me in such a way. I wish I could do all of you, but I can't. But what I can do, I can say thank you. I can say thank you to each and every one of you that have played an intricate part in my journey on this platform. I thank you. My window for time is about like this. I wish I had this much time and I could include you all, but I'm gonna bring it in and give you all a hug and just say thank you for being a part of my life here on this journey. So you guys, the host is Creating with Miss Kaye, and the co-host for this challenge, I'm going to read off the names in hopes that I don't forget anyone. Co-hosts are Debby Bubbles, Designed to a T, Shawin on the Spot, Creations by Simone, Inspired by Chanel, Lady Cinnamon, Mari Keys of Happy Home Decor, and myself, ggfaison, for the love of decor. So you guys, all of their information will be in my description box below. Please check out that playlist link and visit all of the other creators as we share with you who we will be paying homage to. Now, Kaye.
All right. Okay. All right.
Okay, you guys, so the first person that I'm going to be showing love to is Juani over at Juani's house. And the reason that I have chosen Juani is because she's the reason that I'm actually on this platform. She encouraged me to start my channel, and she has assisted me and helped me out in many ways. And for Juani's style, she has a lifestyle channel where you may find her out shopping. You may find her doing shopping hauls. You may find her doing a DIY here and there. You may find her decorating her home. You may even find her doing a live. But the thing I love most about Miss Juani is that how she puts together her floral arrangements in her home. So I'm going to sneak in a floral arrangement for Juani, and I hope I can do her justice. And the chit chat. Juani can do some chit chat like nobody I've ever seen before. She will have you laughing. Sometimes I use her as I'm riding and I will play her videos, and she just have my cheeks locked up. So you guys, you have to go over and visit her channel, show her love. You can find her also on Instagram, you can find her on Facebook, and she has started a blog, and that is www.juanishouse or www.juanishouse.com. I will leave that in my description box as well. But please go over and show Juani some love and let her know that Gigi sent you there. All right, now the floral arrangement that you see me making here is to say, Juani, I appreciate and I always love seeing you putting together your floral arrangements. So sis, continue your work, continue your journey, and continue to be blessed. So you guys, the vases that you see me using, vase or vase that you see me using here, they are the long slender neck vases that I picked up from the Z Gallery a couple years ago, and I think I have 3 of them, 2 medium size and the taller one. Now these are some gorgeous vases, and I have used them in a lot of my videos, but I love them, and so today I'm going to decorate them and use them in this space here. Usually they're up on my fireplace mantle, but I'm going to decorate them today and use them here in this space. So guys, continue to watch as I continue to work to create this floor arrangement. Hey you guys, now my other inspiration is a beautiful person, a beautiful lady, and I met her because someone said to me, remind me of Divine Inspirations by Martha. And I was like, I don't know her. And the person said, you must go and visit her channel. And when I went to her channel, and I thought to myself, if I remind you of Divine Inspirations by Martha, then that to me was more than I was ever expecting, because Divine Inspirations by Martha, let me tell you guys, when I got to her channel, I was in awe. I loved it so. I just love, I mean, it's almost like whatever she put her hands to, it's amazing. So you have to visit her, and I will leave her information in my description box. Now the items, the 2 things that I'm going to try to duplicate from Miss Martha is, she did a pink tablescape back in 2020, I think. Pretty in Pink tablescape. So I'm going to try to duplicate that. And she also did some vignettes. So there was a black and white one that with the harlequin print that she used, and she used that with some pink mixed in. So I'm going to try to duplicate that as well. And I hope that I do you justice, Miss Martha. I really love and adore you, and I thank you so much for being a part of my life on this platform. So you guys, I hope you will continue to enjoy what I will be sharing, and check out everyone else that is participating. So you guys, this is Miss Martha's creation of her black and white vignette for Easter, and next you will see my creation of how I tried to duplicate it. Okay, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed what I have shared with you today. Please don't forget to show love to Kaye over at Creating with Miss Kaye, the playlist link, and the co-host. Show and share so much love with everyone, and pay a visit to the two that I paid homage to today, and that is Juani of Juani's House and Divine Inspirations by Martha. You guys, I love and appreciate you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new to my channel and you have enjoyed what I have shared right here and right now, you can go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. And for those of you that are always supporting me and showing and showering me with so much love, I appreciate you all so much. Be blessed and take care. Until I see you all again, God's blessings to all of you. And to my sisters that I'm sharing the platform with here for this celebration, I thank you all, love and appreciate you, and let's continue this journey together in love.